The Siemens Colombia Transformer Factory supplied a historical order of 12,820 pole-mounted transformers to a consortium of Siemens Mexico and other companies, as part of an anti-fraud solution in order to reduce the percentage of technical and non-technical losses of the system. A comprehensive solution that demonstrates the production capacity of Siemens Colombia and the strength of a brand present in more than 190 countries worldwide. From the planning phase to the accompaniment of the client and teamwork have been key to the definition and development of the solution. Also, as a producer of transformers and through tools for project management, purchasing, quality, and operational excellence, we continuously work on optimizations for each of the participating areas. We verify that each transformer fulfills all quality processes identified with green points. Our flexibility, competitiveness, and innovation makes us a world-class factory, capable to face the challenges of the market with high-quality standards. We make sure that the equipment arrives in optimal conditions to the final place. We take care of all requirements from the factory to the place of destination. Ingenuity moves us.